Clary, can you shake your head back and forth? Oh, that's nice. Good girl. Oh goodness, woo! Go, go. Claire, should we take a look at your teeth? Daddy, please, oh, there they are.
Claire, let's see those canines.
Aww, little vampire girl. Thank you, Clary. There they are again. Ah. Oh, yes! Thanks, Claire. Hi, Bence. What do you think? Playing with Play-Doh? Wow, nice. Little traffic jam. Benson, say hi!
Hi!